Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 7th of May. Sagittarius, let's see what is in your reading for today. Sagittarius, let's see what is in your energy. Sagittarius, let's go. First card out, we have the 9 of Swords. So I'm getting Sagittarius right now, you're in a lot of anxiety. I'm getting panic, I'm getting you can't sleep, I'm getting insomnia. No, I'm not sure if you're covering a lie or guilt is eating you. I'm getting right now I'm getting you have anxiety, bad anxiety in your bed. I'm getting you turn off the light, you go into your bed and you're not sleeping. I don't know if you're crying or you're just reminiscing about something you did or you should have done. Okay, the Star card. So I'm getting something about this woman. No, this could be something about Sagittarius. If this is you, I'm getting something about a video that's out of you. Or something about a naked picture. No, maybe a Sagittarius is the one who leaks something, all right, and somebody feels shitty for betraying you. But me getting, if this is a woman, me getting something about photos that are out of you. Nude photos, maybe videos. I'm going to say something, Sagittarius, and to each is them own. Me rather see a girl of another man on camera than she a masturbate alone with a toy. I won't lie. I won't lie, Sagittarius. So I don't know if you got caught in the fire where you have pictures naked. I don't know. It could be like a Vanessa Anna Hutchins situation, or it's a video of your naked body. Now, I don't know if you were a cam girl at one point where you're solo, you're alone in a bed, and you play with yourself, or you use toys, or you do something weird. But rather see the girl for command than alone. When she alone, sorry, YouTube technicians, please do not ban me for sexual information, YouTube technicians. When I see the girl them alone and them have ties alone and them do this weird ass shit alone, that look more selling soul to me than if it have a man on camera. I'm not gonna lie. For you to sit down, it's one thing if you want a person to have sex, because you can't even translate that into something being freaky. You understand? But you're alone up on the camera. No, again, maybe you're a webcam girl. I'm not saying that solo is worse than porn, which is having sex on camera with another man. But you see, when somebody gets you for being in a room alone, playing with yourself, pushing your finger up into yourself and all these things, and you're alone, that's a one different type of sexual divination. And it's on camera. This is just my opinion though as a woman. I don't know how men think, and if I did give a fuck about what men think, I would be in a relationship. So I'm getting, something is going to come to the surface about you, Sagittarius, okay? Your body look good though, so we have the Page of Cups. Okay, so no, this could be your school teacher, or this could be I don't know. So me getting your fans are very young. No, this could also be if you were ever a cam girl or you did the porn, but getting who you think I look on porn. It's not really the 40-year-old men. Me hear women be like, I caught my husband watching porn. Okay, you ready? I'm that fuck. I better him watch porn. Sweetie, if your husband freaky enough, he would put on the TV and yan him watch it while enough. Anyways, right? So who you think I watch the porn? Me getting a young. Me getting the YGs I watch it. So you might have done something in the past for your adult audience. Me getting a beer college and high schooler. A frequent and a circle around you, and you don't know why these people me getting because of them I watch porn. It's the virgins watching porn. So I don't know if you notice why so much young people around you. I'm getting is because of pictures or videos or something naked. We have the Hangman, and we also have the Ace of it's men who are masturbate. It's not really the older men who doing it. The Death card. I'm getting that's a clientele, so I'm getting a feel. Maybe people are like, you're a terrible role model. How could you? You have my innocent virgin son watching you. Well, at least I never take a virgin son virginity, unlike some of these nasty older women. Because if you ask these men, ask majority of these men what age them lose them virginity. They're gonna tell us that them lose it to older women. And they're gonna tell us that I lose it to my mother friend, my auntie. I don't know what type of category you're in, but it may have been your stepsister. We don't know, but what we do know is I'm getting a lot of young people. Under 25 are watching things, because under 25 watch porn. So I'm getting, you thought you was doing something for your age, an adult audience. Me getting that's not who's taking to you. Me getting a lot of you are someone's reason to masturbate, apparently. So don't be sad. They love your tits. Don't be sad. We have the Knight of Swords. It's clarified by the Me getting is something solo. Is you alone? Is it you alone in the shot? Or something about what a Sagittarius set you up to do? Cause me getting you feel terrible for what you did this woman. Or you're the woman and you feel terrible. Because maybe you're a model and you had pictures of you, you know, in clothes and everything, and it was great. And then the photographer came to you and be like, can we have some shots with your clothes off? And you were like, it's the industry. How many boobs? It's like when you go into a doctor's office and the doctor tell you to take off your clothes, and you're like, should I be insecure about, you know, my breasts? I mean, how much pussy and breasts the doctor really has seen, okay? Right? Me getting you say, okay, how many other people do this? But it get leaked. The star card is clarified by the king. A Sagittarius leak your shit. If it's not a Sagittarius, it's a Leo. Maybe somebody do it for get back at you. Somebody, me getting is a Leo. A Leo do it. Somebody could go far as saying, you know what, we actually work together. I'm actually her manager. This is a trafficker. That's what the fuck it is. If the Nine of Pentacles was beside the star, I could have said you do it yourself. The star is being led by this man. That means one man set you up. One Leo, Aries, Sagittarius man set you up. Page of Cups. Him probably set you up for make other men like him feel like you want big. I don't know what it was, but when you were doing the content, you had to do it for kings. Or at least that's what the man do. The man take your photos and videos and send it to other people so that kings won't fuck with you. But me getting another king them and watch porn. Under 25. Them a watch porn. That's your clientele if you never know. And apparently younger guys like older women. And older men like younger women. Because somebody look like them set you up. You're single and them set you up. So that no man not gonna want you your age. Okay, but the man them your age now watch porn. The Page of Cups is clarified by the King of... Page of Cups clarified by the King of Swords. There is young men with so-called adults-like mentality. I'm getting you, so the Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, in my girl and I talk about, yeah, we did this. We went into business. Yeah, I tricked that bitch. You see the young one, them not say nothing. Them see you, them smile and them look off. They're not like, I know you. Yo, Brody, do you know her? That's the girl from Pornhub. I recognized your clit from somewhere, right? The young one, them more secretive. Me getting at the old washed up one, them who can't get pussy, who has failed with every single pussy them ever have, and them have to search for desperate pussy, and them are the man them who are circle it round and I send it to each other and I make a big deal about it. And the big man them what can't fuck more than one time a week. The big man them what can't go 3 round in a 1 blood clot sex session. And the big man them a share your shit and a cult activity. You know the one them who are do this? And the younger one them. So while the big man in your neighborhood is being like, that whore that moved next door, I hate that whore. You want me to tell you what somebody's son is like? Man, I would love to the girl next door. What's the Hangman? The 5 of Cups. Come getting somebody did it for sabotage your relationship. And the Ace of Wands is clarified by the 10 of Cups. And you still gonna get one. You still gonna get one. This is what man not understand. At least half of them. You're washed up. Your life done. Sir, your dick can't work properly. So if you did plan to put somebody on blast, right? Or you orchestrate somebody's demise, or you's not Kanye West. I made that bitch famous. You couldn't make that bitch famous with that non-working dick. The blood after your blood clot traffic the star card, the way how your dick couldn't blood clot work, everything have to shut down. After your blood clot trick and drug and traffic the blood clot star, the way how your blood clot all ass dick couldn't fucking work, production of a blood clot shut down. Perhaps that's why somebody had to be on camera alone. Your blood clot, nasty blood clot, all use up dick couldn't blood clot work anymore. And that's why your blood clot vex. Cause you're going to tell people say how you're going to humiliate somebody, you're going to traffic them, you're going to humiliate them. Sir, your dick couldn't blood clot work during production of this trafficking argument. So you have to switch it, you have a blood clot turn it around. Thankfully, your tits and your breasts are being seen by a more younger crowd who probably can fuck you better. Stupid ass nigga. Stupid. Yeah, Mercury. Me getting at the big man them a talk, and the big man them have all for say. You see the younger guy them a keep a secret. Secret, secret, your secret safe with me, girl. Secret, your secret safe with them. At the all washed up religious, all washed up, nah blood clot dick man them a make excitement over this. Yeah, cause them can't handle your pussy. That's why them have to fuck 25-year-olds. Get the fuck out of here. Off your course. We have Illuminati. Them swear them gonna put it. The fuck are them traffic you, drug you, lace your shit. Your health was deteriorating, and while them a blood clot traffic you, them blood clot, they couldn't blood clot work halfway production. People have to be commenting and asking the fucking star if them need a new sex partner for fuck on camera. Meanwhile, the blood clot star get traffic. This is how bad it was. And your girl tell people say, yeah, somebody pimp. Your girl tell people say it was your idea. Sir, the only idea you have is a part of you and that blood clot KKK trafficking ring. Shut the fuck up. You did no blood clot work. After your blood clot, tell everybody how you gonna set her up. You did no blood clot work. People, look how much blood clot man a comment on the star card that ask the star, you need a new sex partner? You need a new location for fuck? You can come to my studio and me you fuck. You not for pay me. Shut the fuck up. You think you can blood clot make nobody hold? You think you can make nobody hide them face, pussy hole? You can't blood clot work. Cause you can mother. Pussy hole. Aries, the head. The only blood clotting them good for you to sit down on them blood clot face. I mean, I don't know what kind of traffic I'm... This is fucking crazy. Either way, your audience, you have very, very loyal fans. And I believe if you started the OnlyFans, your loyal fans would follow you over there. Leave them blood clot washed up, no blood clot balls. Don't want a responsibility man alone. Make them go fuck young girl. This is them blood clot they can't work. They can't work for more than one time for the blood clot week. While them a blood clot traffic you and a force you and a threaten you say, oh, what them a gonna do from what them not gonna do to you, then they can't them they can fall down blood clot mid-sex session. Look how much blood clot young people are comment on your shit and ask say, you want my man for fuck? You know some dick bigger than the man in the video. I could help you with views. Cause suck your mother pussy well, you can never make me blood clot hide my face. Cause suck your mother. I'll get blood clot charged too. Anyways, I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.